Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you easily avoid tolls on Google Maps. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, open your store to make sure we have the Google Maps application updated to the latest version for everything to run smoothly in this process. After that, of course, we quit the store. Let's open Google Maps now. We first need to create a pathway or a route that we need to take. So search for one in the search box in the top. So let's say we are going to Texas. I'm gonna tap on Texas right here and then tap on the search bar again to tap or set the starting location on the top right here. So let's say the starting location is gonna be my home address. I'm gonna tap on home and it's gonna create a pathway for us in some seconds, just like that. Now, to avoid tolls in this route that we're going to take, it is very easy. You just need to tap on the three dots that should be in the top right corner right here, and then you tap on options, which should be the first option right there. And then here you should see avoid tolls in the top. Just turn it on, and that is how can you easily avoid tolls on your routes using Google Maps. And that is basically it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos and solutions to your problems like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.